Hey guys, happy Raksha Bandhan. Now we are going to move into our chess tutorial part 4. Now we have another rule for you, that is the king of a team cannot move into a space which is covered by the opponent king because it gets threatened when it moves over there. In the last episode, we have told you that moving the pawn in front of the king will give you more power, and now we will tell you why. This trick is used to checkmate the opponent king. Now let's see how it works. In this trick, if the player does not move these 4 pawns and the minister and the camel, then you can checkmate him in 4 moves.
Now let's learn this trick. Now you can move the pawn in front of your king, one move, one block or 2 blocks. I wish to do 2 blocks.
We are not going to show opponent's moves because we have told you the cases in which this trick is applicable.
In the next move, we can move the minister or the camel. So I wish to move the camel to this spot here. And in the next move, I will move my minister to this spot. So next, I'll move my camel and capture this pawn. So king is in check and cannot move anywhere. So he is checkmated and lost the game.
Now we are going to tell you how to checkmate with different pieces in chess. Now we are going to show you how to checkmate using an elephant and a king. Now, in the first case, let us consider it is the turn of the whites.
Here, the black king cannot move to these 3 blocks because they are blocks next to the white king. So, to checkmate the black king, we should not let the black king to move in these 2 blocks. So, we should move this elephant here so that he can't move, he can't be in this line because this is captured by the elephant, and these three blocks are captured by the king. So the black king is checkmated and lost the game.
Now we learn how to checkmate with 2 elephants. Let's see. In this case, the king cannot move into this row because if he moves in this row, there is an elephant and he gets threatened. Now we have to block his moves and threaten him. So let's move the elephant to this spot. Now let's see. He can move to this spot or this spot or this spot. Now let's take him to this spot. And now move this elephant to this place. Now he cannot stay in these 2 rows. He can travel only 1 block, so he cannot get out of this trap, and he has to move to this side. And again we move our elephants like that, and he moves to this row, and it's done. It's a checkmate and the black team is lost. While trapping the king, sometimes you may get into this case. When the king is moved to this direction, you move your elephant to block the king, but the king kills this elephant and escapes from the trap. Since we have only 2 elephants, now the king has to move, the king will kill. So in the previous move, we have to move our elephant like this. Then again in the next move, he will try to come nearer and we have to protect this elephant. And then move and continue the process. Because it is too far away, in these 3 rows, he has only 3 moves and cannot come near to the elephants. Now the black king loses. This is a minister and an elephant checkmate trick. Here the minister also has the power of an elephant, so we can apply the trick of elephant checkmate. And now there is another trick to checkmate the king with minister and elephant, and I am going to show it to you now. This is the first trick to checkmate the king. In this case, the minister is here and the elephant is here. Both are protecting each other. The king cannot come into these two rows, and he has only one option, which is also covered by the minister, as the minister can move diagonally. So the king is checkmated. Sorry guys, I have misplaced the pieces. They must be over here. You might think over here the king is not in check, so I'm sorry for the inconvenience. In this case, the king is checkmated. See, the minister is over here. The king cannot move to this place, this place, this place, and this place, because all are captured by the minister. And the king cannot kill the minister because we have the elephant over here. The elephant can be anywhere in this row, and the king is checkmated. Now I've told you the general tricks. There are a lot more. Try yourself. We have told you the basic tricks. There are a lot more combinations with many powers, and we will try to cover those in future videos. Thank you. Bye.